in this video we're gonna check if it is possible to get GCam on POCO M8 Pro. And in order to check that, we're just gonna go to the Play Store and we can search for GCam, which is an app that allows us to check if it is possible to get a GCam and if there is a dedicated GCam version for POCO M8 Pro. So we need to install this app, and I also have to mention that we will be installing an app from a different source than the Play Store, so naturally the phone will be alarming you that you are trying to install potentially harmful app, but if you don't trust the app or their website, then of course I'm not really saying that you should definitely do so. You can always stick with your gut, of course. So as you can see right now, the GCam is not available for POCO M8 Pro as it is written over here. Perhaps if you're watching this in the future, maybe there is a dedicated version. So I'm just gonna request the GCam in here. In the meantime, at the bottom we can switch to GCams in here, and then we can try to find a Xiaomi version over here. So we can type Xiaomi in order to make sure that we only see Xiaomi smartphones, because POCO is also Xiaomi, of course. And then we try to find the latest available version. And there we go, we have 9.4. And what we are doing now is we are trying to download a version that is for another Xiaomi smartphone. So of course there is a chance that the app will not work at all. There's a chance that it will work, but only like partially. So in some cases these apps work just normally without any issues, and in some cases the GCam is, for example, not fully working. Here is 9.6, which I believe is the newest one so far. So let's say I'm gonna stick with this one, and I'm gonna just install this one. So let's tap on Start Download. Of course, we have an ad in the meantime. And after skipping the ad, we can see that we have the Download APK button, and we're gonna download it. And in your case, you will need to grant the browser to install the permission to install unknown apps once the download is done, because we will have to install the app, and of course, like I said, the phone will say that it is from an unknown source, so the phone is not certain if the app is safe. And we will see if the app is compatible. You can of course also try to get another version from that app in case this one doesn't work. But I assume like GCam 9.6 is one of the newest versions, so hopefully it's gonna work. So let's check it out. We will check if some of the features are working. We need to grant all the necessary permissions. There we go. And the preview works normally. All right, so let's take a photo straight away. And it seems to be working fine. We can also go to the settings in here in order to try to find a bunch of different options. We can also go to Pro if needed. All right, let's stop here as well. So we have like focus, shutter speed, and ISO. And besides that, we're gonna switch to the front camera. And it seems to be working just fine. Zooming also seems to be working. Let's see if we can zoom in to 10x. Yes, we do. And let's also see the video mode. Let's actually zoom out. Let's start recording. And let's stop. And it seems that it is actually working just fine. We can also switch to the front, which seems to be fine as well. So yeah, it seems that this version is actually somewhat compatible with the POCO M8 Pro. So you can give it a try if you would like to. And hopefully it will work just fine. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.